Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, good old Facebook Marketplace hit again. This is my new to me Cfmoto Zforce 800. Purchased this today from an older couple there. The thing is filthy. Not sure why people don't clean them up to sell them. However, I enjoy doing that. We're going to clean everything. Any little marks and whatnot, we're going to get all those spick and span there. From the looking at the tires, they're original. That comes with it. Let's take a look at the gauge cluster. So it's got a 1941 kilometers on it. So we've put on about 2 kilometers just running it around the yard when we got it. So we're going to take the old foam cannon to it, some upholstery cleaner, some wheel and tire cleaner, and let's see if we can get this looking a little bit better. Alright, we're going to let this sit for a little bit, do its job, and then we're going to get her all cleaned off. Alright, so I spent about a half hour scrubbing and spraying it off. Looks a little better. So as I've done on my other bike, I used a bed liner and refinished all the racks and the bumpers. So we're going to do the same on this one. Alright, so we got the bike cleaned up pretty good. It's not perfect yet, but looks a lot better than when we first got it. So I'm actually going to buff the stainless exhaust underneath. I started to, still needs a lot of work. Clean up all the suspension underneath. Repainted the back bumper. It's amazing how well these clean up. A little dirty. I went around the yard a few times. But all in all, we're really happy with it. So it's got 1941 kilometers on it. And the plastic cleaned up really well, so I put a couple coats of wax on it. All in all, I spent probably 5 or 6 hours cleaning it up. It's nice to get the suspension nice and white instead of the old stained brown. Again, the next video is going to be checking all the fluids and changing the fluids. Refinished the passenger grab bar too. That was all rusted right there, so that looks a lot better. Again, it's not perfect, but it's slowly getting there. So again, we're going to check all the fluids and change them. We're going to check the belt and whatnot, and we'll go from there and hopefully get her out on the trail in the next couple weeks here. Again, for really a Chinese ATV, the amount of options in this is unreal. We're really happy. I actually ordered some LED headlight bulbs, so they're going to be in the next day or two, so we're going to get those swapped out too when we check all the fluids. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're going to be doing quite a few videos on this side-by-side ATV, and we'll see how it holds up out on the trails. I'm also going to keep my Bombardier Quest 650, so that's going to be our plow rig, and my young fella's going to use that. So we'll have two on the go on the trails here, so we'll see which one holds up better. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to get updates on when the new videos are live. Thanks for watching.